Do I need to become a Sheena? This is the question I get asked from clients and people that I speak to about business mastery and about speaking. And I always say, no, you don't need to become a Sheena because you will be you. However, I've changed my thinking. And guess what? I do want you to become a Sheena. I want you to become a Sheena by following my simple steps in my mastery systems. And doing each of my steps in my mastery system is going to lead you to new results personally and professionally. And I'll be speaking about